come down onto your left hand side. You're gonna cradle your head. You can use a block for your pillow if you want. We're gonna keep those knees bent at a 45-degree angle. And the motion we're gonna be going through is taking the right leg, lift the right leg up, and then we're gonna bring that right leg back down. Lifting it up and down, and you're gonna take your right hand to the inside and just give yourself a little bit of resistance, going up and then coming back down. Gently lifting up and back down. You can play with inhale, lifting up, exhale, coming back down. My body likes exhaling on the way down today, so that's what I'm going to focus on, but see what you're noticing and feeling with the movement. Gentle up and back down. You'll feel the back of that shoulder kick on. Gently moving in and out, staying with that breath. You'll feel that inner thigh. Maybe on the exhale, a little activation of core and pelvic floor. What we want to make sure we're not seeing is like pushing, bearing down, bulging, feeling any pressure with any of these movements along the pelvic floor.